Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 12th, 2021. Axie Infinity price prediction. Axis crypto. Is it primed for a 35% price drop? Hold on. Don't worry about it. I got you. It may be, it may not be. We're going to look at the chart because the chart gives us all the information we needed to know in order to ensure that we are in position to win. We need to make sure we understand where prices are going to go in order for us to win. Now, if you want to understand that, without being confused, you just tapped on the right video. We're here. The doors are open. Hit the like button. Share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel. We want to ensure that our family, you and I, are able to collaborate. We're able to predict, and then we're able to ultimately win and dominate in the cryptocurrency space without being confused. While everyone else simply pumps cryptocurrencies, that's all their videos they do. That's all they do is pump cryptos. They always go up. They will always go up. They will never come down. And then you end up buying at the wrong location right when the price goes down in crypto. And I'm not talking about go down 1%, 2%. No, I'm talking about 20, 25%, 30% droppage going on in these moves. Why would they try to place those things on you? No, you should not do that. You need to have somebody in your corner that's going to tell you when the price is going to go up and as well as when the price is going to go down. This may just be that case in Axie Infinity. The price may just go down 35%. Let's see if that's the case, right? I don't want to scare you. I don't want to give you any fear, any FUD, any FOMO. So check this out. Last time, well, before I do, you guys appreciate our content. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the family. The doors are open. We want you all to join us so that we all can eat together. Now, here we are. August the 14th. You can check it out in our Axie Infinity playlist. We played the strength into the market in Axie and told you all, hey, the market still looks pretty good to go up, right? We were expecting the market price in Axie to go up, and it did right here. August the 14th. This is what price has done in relation to what we expected the market to do. Now, we had ample amount of opportunity to get our ultimate TP price out the market in Axie Infinity. August the 17th. And then again, right there on August the 21st. And another thing you guys can see is that the market came and held our support area. As long as that was the case, we knew that the applicable or the correct movement was still going to be up. As long as that was the case, and the market pretty much did that in Axie Infinity. So congratulations, 22%, easy, done, over in the account. We move on to the next play. All right. So now let me zoom out, because I'm going to take one of these horizontal lines here and we are going to see whether or not this market move in Axie Infinity is still in a uptrend. And yes, we are. The market so far is still in a uptrend, but take a look at this though. We broke away from the trend in Axie Infinity, right? We broke it. Well, we broke it. And we need to see now, okay, cool. We broke away from this longer term ascending line, this very lower end ascending line, right? We created another one. Market broke this near term ascending line. So that's not holding up the price. It's not. So the next thing that we can see hold up price in Axie Infinity, you guessed it, this ascending line. So can that be 35% away? All right, let's see. It's about 31% right there from where the market price is right now. 30% drop. And you know what? While everyone else will be screaming at you, will be trying to make you more fearful, doing emergency broadcasts and saying that the market is in a plummet and the market is crashing. What is going on? What should you do? 30%. You're still in an upward trend though in Axie Infinity. There's nothing to be worried about in terms of seeing the market go up. The only thing that we need to be worried about is the entry, right? Would you want to come in and buy Axie around 69? Or would you want to buy it around 48 with the premise that it's going to bounce off this ascending line? Exactly. It's cheaper at $48, right? So we need to see, is the market in Axie Infinity going to go down to $48? Let's see. This is the weekly time frame right here in Axie, okay? And so far, it's there. right? We can kind of see the price go down to 48, but it's not really being exhibited extremely hard on the price chart, right? The only introduction of weakness on this weekly time frame is from the last 2 weeks, right? And this market definitely likes this area right here for support. Okay, so right now, if I said the market was going to go down 30% in Axie Infinity, I would say no, because of what we're getting so far and how much the market is trying to get support price around $69. So no, not right now. I'm not seeing that. Not on the weekly time frame. So maybe you can see it on a different time frame. What do you all think? This is a 3 weeks time frame in Axie Infinity, right? What do you all think? Can we see the market drop 35% in the next 3 weeks? One thing I wanted to show you, look at this volume. Look at that. Every price bar we have right now that we're looking at is 3 weeks worth of trading, okay? And this volume is literally dry in Axie Infinity comparative to the last three week price bars. So the question is, okay, if the market is really going to go up, okay, if the market really was buying, the value in Axie Infinity was more than what it was around 69 to 88 to $92, we would see more volume, but it is not here. So it kind of tells us that the demand and the interest is waning. We're losing that, because if the market truly was strong, we should see this much volume come in the market in Axie Infinity, let us know that the market is in agreement right here to see this market go up. But a lot of people's not believing that right now. So in the long term, yes, the weakness can definitely occur in Axie Infinity. Okay, check this out. This is the 2-day time frame, and there's a couple of areas that I wanted to show you that as long as the price cannot break above, we won't go up. It's just that simple. Because the charts, they don't lie to us. They give us the correct information. It is the individuals who try to interpret it get it wrong, right? So look at that. Right here, September the 8th, and then again on September the 10th, the price in Axie Infinity could not break above, what's that, $72, give or take? 73? And even up here, $77.25. Then again here, $80, right? We need to see the market in Axie continue to maintain its support. So as of this particular moment, let's do this, okay? Because the market pretty much is still consolidating, right? We're going to do it that way. We need to continue to follow what the market price in Axie is trying to deliver, right? As to what it's trying to do. Okay. So let's create what the market is acting like right now. Okay. Now, we are trading right there around $64, right? We've sustained that so far. The market is willing to keep price up. But the moment we break down $64 or $63, we're going to come back down here, right? Yes, we are. Something that you need to be prepared for. Okay. Now, right now, no, the market doesn't look to drop 35%, but from that weekly perspective, yes, we can. And even if we can't break above 72, 76 is even more applicable. The longer that we see the market hold support above $64 and we're still unable to crack above 72, ultimately 76, understand that the long-term view into market Axie is still going to go down. Yep. Right? So check this out. We are still seeing the strength though in the market in Axie Infinity, right? I'm still seeing it. But I'm not convinced as to the bullishness of it. I'm not convinced that the market is very, very strong. I'm not convinced. Now, if I saw the market price in Axie Infinity right now trade around $72.50, $75, then I'll be more bullish into the market. But I'm not. I got to keep it real. I got to show you what I'm seeing on the chart in order to ensure you're able to try to understand what the market actually is trying to do, right? And preferably, if we can't see the price go above 73, 72.50, the market's going to go down. I'm just here to tell you that. So you won't be caught off surprise and saying what happened, right? So let's do this. So if we're going to look for the market price in Axie Infinity to hit 72, that's only 4%, right? Do you really want to deploy resources to just get 3-4% out of the market, or to around 76, right? What do you think? It's your call. So you know what? I've been looking at the chart. And we're going to play the weakness here. Okay. $63 would be our ultimate area TP right here. We'll definitely come in and skim off some profitability there around 63. Okay. And I'm going to bring it all the way down here. Okay. Now, as I see this market in Axie Infinity trade, okay, and I still see the market come in over the next couple of days, and we see it grab support again around 63. Yeah, take the play right there, leave it, move on to the next, because the market is not going to come all the way down to around 48. It won't, because the market is still showing that there's enough interest and demand there around 64 that the market movement higher is still applicable, right? So this is just something not to be extremely greedy over and just come in and grab the bag around 63, $64 and move on, right? Because the market is still giving us a lot of information that the strength is still applicable. Okay. Now this is pretty much more in line with the long term, because in the beginning days, yeah, the strength is still on the chart, right? I can see the market go up tomorrow, maybe even the day after tomorrow to hit 72 and even at $76 price. Now that's why I got this area of restriction up here. You know, as long as the market really don't break above 77, then I understand that the weakness is still applicable. So that's it. This is what I'm seeing. Now, you might see something totally different, which is fine. Drop me a comment though and tell me what you're seeing. Tell me what your price prediction is going to be for Axie Infinity over the next 3 weeks, right? Where in the world will the price be at? Because if you don't see what I'm seeing, then you need to make sure you get in your position to make sure that you win as to where you think the price is going to be in 3 weeks, right? So I'm looking forward to the comments. Let me know what you all think about the price prediction in Axie Infinity and where you think we're going to go. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.